Today I would like to show you something very, very important. So for the dancing, whenever you dance, you have to build a very special posture where every movement you're gonna dance in. So how to build that posture? So stay sideways to the camera or to the mirror and put your weight on one leg, other leg is free this way. And now press your knees back. Try it a couple times. Push your knees back. And as you push your knees back, try to push your tummy in same time. So knee pushing back, tummy in. And try to put one arm behind yourself, one arm in front. And as you push your knees back, try to push your tummy in. And now same time, as you press your knee back, tummy in, take your chest forward and create like a gap or space in front of you. So instead of like most of the people, they staying in a beautiful straight line, for the dancing is not enough. You have to create a little bit more dynamic shape. So you need to stay over yourself, almost like you have a feeling like you're gonna fall over forward. So how to do this? So you use your knees, you lock your knees, you take your tummy in, chest up and forward. So your rib cage feels slightly lifted. So it's the best way. If you look at yourself in the mirror from the side, you will see that this is a straight line and will dance inside that posture. Whatever you do, it should enhance that look, not to break it. What I mean by that? So for example, if we created that look and now I would like to do a squeezing compression, as I squeeze, it has to create more of that forwardness, more of that look, rather than you created a beautiful posture and you start doing your body action and you go back to the straight position or even back weighted. Why it's so important? Because the posture as you dance with the music will keep you always on the go, will give you a lot of dynamic. And if you build that posture in that very, very much forward way, actually in very fast music, that forward could become straight. But if you're only trying to be straight in dynamic, it's very big danger. It could be back weighted. So let's say face camera right now forward, try to create this dynamic posture again. So at this point, like your knee, not always you have to like your knee, but we have a straight legs, like your knee, tummy in, chest up and forward. Very good. Now try to do exactly the same on the other leg. Boom. And once you feel that over feeling, now you try to do some actions in it. Try first with the pendulum. As you change your pendulum and add a little bit squeezing, try to keep that forwardness and those legs straight. So without losing, so you're changing pendulum using a squeezing, but posture stays. Moreover, it's not even stay, it's become more dynamic, not less. And now let's try to do a simple movements. I'll take one movement from each dance and we try to see if we can create dynamic posture to it. For example, we start with the backward rumba walk. So we put our weight on the back leg and now pushing our knees back, tummy in, chest up and forward. Try to see if we can have this posture here and do it for the 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now do exactly the same on the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And try to hold it for a little bit to feel that posture. Feel that your knees straight, tummy in, chest up and forward. So it's feeling like you create a space here. And you're always gonna move into that space you created. Now let's try to create exactly the same on the forward walk. So we stay like this. First we have two straight legs. Right leg is at this point is a free leg. Left leg would be a standing leg. And in this step, which is a forward walk, we try to create dynamic position. How we do it? We push our knees back, tummy in, chest up and forward. This way. This one is also very helpful to have your arms next to the tummy and press your tummy in and hold your elbows kind of in rounded way so you can feel that space in front of you. Do it for 8 times. 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very internal feeling. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now do exactly the same on the other leg. 8 counts, creating dynamic posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we try to do a basic rumba walk, and we're gonna do it. Normally, everybody practices, they only look forward on themselves. This time, I want you to take a look at yourself from the side and see, are you staying over? Are you creating the space, or are you just standing straight? So standing over, we're gonna go back 2. Now we have our action on count and, but as we squeeze, as we're using our pendulum, we're not going to lose posture, you're going to keep it. And 3, staying more over. And 4, 1 to the side, keeping that position. And 2, and 3, and 4, 1. And it's much actually easier when you just straight. But when you straight, you don't have as much dynamic possibilities as in this position. So try to prepare yourself in this position and try to have that space in front of you before movement, during movement, and after movement. So you go and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and especially when you're doing action, it has to increase that volume in front of you. You can do exactly the same in cha-cha-cha. Let's say if we move cha-cha forward and back, and this time I demonstrate side, and I strongly recommend for you to practice sideways to the mirror to see, is your position just straight or you have that dynamic posture? You go back 2 and 3. Now you're doing cha-cha lock step. Cha, 1. And your focus is not on the action, it's just to create that position where you have that space in front of you. And 2, and 3, and cha, and. And now we can take samba, for example, whisk from side to side. And the same idea, we try to have your body over the leg, never just behind, not just straight, but having that space in front of you as we dance. Boom. So I strongly recommend go over every dance and see if you have that dynamic position. For the 4 dances, for the cha-cha, samba, rumba, and jive is like that. Paso doble is slightly different. Okay, enjoy this lesson. And if you would like to learn more secrets like that, join my online platform, dancewitholeg.com. I prepared some video courses and programs, drills, and exercises, especially for you. So if you like to learn, welcome to join, and see you in the next lesson.